Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to remove a specific device that you have added in Google Find, and you cannot remove it. As you may see, there is no setting here to remove it. I have registered this device a couple of months ago. I went to my Google account, to my device settings, and I have removed all Android devices, and this is still there. So, Google have another website, another link to remove the devices that is associated with the Play Store. So only like this you can remove the device. So if you go there, I will want to remove this specific device, and if you go here, you will see and you refresh the Google Find, it will remove the device just like that. So easy, it removes the associated device. If I click in that, it will add it again. So this is so easy to remove, because even if you sign out from the Android device you have here, it will not be removed. In this specific, you have to sign out from the specific device, and if you have lost access to this device, it will never be signed out from the Play Store. You have to do it manually. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Let me know if you have any comments. Bye.